My overall experience with Paradise was very good. I've had 2 orders with them now, and everything went well on both of them. Things came in on time, the work was good. I'm completely satisfied so far. I like everything about them. My electric bill has gone down. It's nice and quiet in my house. It's a very secure feeling in here. Well, I've experienced 2 installation crews at Paradise in the last 2 years, and they were both very professional, did their job, and the quality was good. I take a close look afterwards, and caulking was right and sealed. I haven't noticed any real problems with either of the installations on the house. There was a lot of communication with Paradise. I more than I expected. Kind of surprised me, but it was good, and I knew when things were going to happen, which was good for me. Would I recommend you? Yes, I have and will in the future recommend Paradise. I especially like the warranty.